Today we're going to show you how to turn this old clutchy head into this. Now let's get to it, guys.
But we gotta pull these old springs off, and I got a new spring puller, spring collapser. Bolt that in. See the hole in there? I might have to wiggle it back and forth to get it in there. Get it started. It's okay. Alright, let's take another bite. Okay, move this hand. Move this hand. That's pretty good. Here, see if you can pull those out. Okay, that's good. See if you could take those retainers off right there with that magnet. So don't drop them because I don't have any more. We're going to reuse them. Nice.
Jeez, I got both of them.
Everything is disassembled except for that and that. We'll do that in a different video. What I found works best is you go steal some more of your mom's goods, little oven cleaner, and spray the heck out of this thing inside and out. Everywhere you can, make it white. That's good. See if you can get in each one of those exhaust ports. It's just like a spray can.
Yeah, that is.
Alright, it's good and coated.
Yep. Now we're just gonna let this sit here for a while.
Yeah, let that sit there and do its work, and then we'll spray it off later.
Yep.
This head together?
Yeah.
Yeah. We moved to the big garage.
Big garage.
Hopefully we'll have a little better video. Now that everything's clean work, we won't mess it up. We'll keep all the dirty stuff down in the shop. But we're gonna do it up here. And I got the one kid, the other one's over there because that's as far as he can go and still get Wi-Fi. So he's just here for moral support. All right, put these together?
Yep.
Remember how we took them apart?
No.
Perfect. Let's put the new valve seals on. Find me a socket in your toolbox that fits over that and touches this edge. Take it with you. Take this one.
With that.
Yeah,
and
first
then tap it down.
you take all these
Yep.
right here. We'll do that last. Put that down for a second. Take these, put one on each one out of the bag here, and then that's all you got to do. And then we'll tap them down with the socket. Now see, we want them to get them all the way down tight. So put that over the top. Just like that. See how she's on there now? Get them on there straight. Hold on. Yeah, make sure it's nice and straight. Swing away, Meryl. Careful, buddy. Tink, tink, good. Can you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
When it sounds different? There you go. One more. seals installed. Valves that we cleaned up, they're all right here in the same row in the order I need to get them back in there. So this is number 1 cylinder. Grab these 2 and put them in there, and then we'll flip it over and press the springs on, okay?
So I'll grab these 2?
Yep, you can. Yep, they're a little bit greasy. Don't drop them. There you go. You gotta get it straight. There you go. Here's this one. Got it?
Feels very weird.
I put some assembly grease on there, so.
I know. Did you?
There it is. I'll flip it over and we'll put the springs on. Yep, do the other spring. That's the exhaust.
Huh?
Yep. Alright. Now hold on, we gotta get our handy dandy spring compressor out again. Yep. Spin it on, crank them down tight. Got your glasses?
Yep. Because this can be dangerous.
Come on, spin that baby. Got all day. There you go. So 6 hours later, we got them in there. Okay, now
Okay.
you back this up.
Yep.
And it should seat them right in there. Okay?
Now,
Now you just back it off and they should tighten right up. Just keep going. Just go around in a circle. Go, 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 go.
yeah. I really do need to eat more noodles. See, it's like another tiny bowl.
Well, you haven't done many. Here, do what I just said. Just keep turning around. Try not to take it off. Will the open end or the box end fit on there? Shit, no. Well, we're doing this so you can practice. You getting mad?
Yes.
There you go. See they're seating up in there? And that's how they lock in. You got her? It's loose. Loosey goosey. Pull these up. Installed your first valves on this cleaned up old head. Valves that probably should have been replaced, but it'll be all right, right?
Yep.
Next time, we'll put them on the motor. I kind of like working up here, do you?
Yeah.
Maybe now that we're putting stuff together, we'll bring the motor up here too. We'll do all the clean work up here.
Yep.
We'll take over Mom's side of the garage.
Maybe.
She'll be happy about that. Is that fun?
Yeah. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Okay, you want to put it on, see what it looks like?
Yep.
Oh,
The
these
big
are so
moment.
nice. You know what pisses me off about your generation?
What?
They're never going to know what a cast iron head is. These are so light. I'm going to put this bolt in just so it doesn't come crashing out. There. Go ahead and take some shots of that. How's it look with the gold?
Yeah.
Alright, now we gotta do it again. Do the other one.
Oh my god. No.
Try that.
Yeah.
Put that on.
Now it's the big shining moment.
Hey.
Yeah.
Smile. Smile. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Wait till we put that new intake on there.
Yeah.
It's gonna look sick.